Morning, guys. This is Patrick speaking from Bellows Electrical Services Limited. Yeah, I'm just here in Wellingborough, and what I'm doing, what I've done, the first week. So I'm running a new cooker supply. As you can see, it's a little kitchen work. So the client called me. She don't like what the previous electrician did, because you run a cable. As you can see, it was all cable run and just plaster over like that. And then cable was going like diagonal and all that kind of stuff. So coming to pull a couple of things, right? And one of the things that I found here was that they took a spur off the ring from upstairs, and they took that and put a junction, a bigger light box, the drum box, and just run loads of socket of it off that. So when I noticed it, I spoke to the client and I told her that have to be pulled right, because you can only have one socket of a ring, whereas you have to have a switch fuse spur or spur, and then there's a chain, lots of socket of that spur, then that's all gonna run on the 13 amps. So she agrees, and what we did, we extended the ring because the house is not big, so it's still within the 100 square meter, according to the regulation for ring circuit. So we extended the ring here and just make, as you can see, that's gonna be what the fridge gonna be, and that's gonna be electric rod gonna be right there, right here, fridge. And there's a socket, the cooker, the hub is gonna be the extractor, and the oven is gonna be, this oven is gonna be at the bottom. So it's gonna be a worktop with the 90, and yeah, the worktop height is gonna be a 90 there. So you have this cooker switch, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna have the outlet plate for the hood, and then that's gonna be an on switch spur for the oven, and then we'll have the fuse spur for the extractor, a double socket here as well. Yeah, the breaker was a bit loose, so I put a bond behind that, and that box is going nowhere. It's solid. So later I will just put 2 screws in there just to keep it firm, and then yeah, I have to do the same thing up there as well, and so we have a double socket here, a spur for the boiler. So I'm gonna extend these cables here, and then I would get a heat shrink before the plaster, and put a heat shrink on that bit, so the plaster gonna cause any damage. But yeah, that's basically what I've done here, and then they're gonna plaster and get it all ready for second fix. So once they've done the plastering, put the kitchen unit up, and then I will come put a splash back. I'll come and get it all done. So we have a couple of alarm, put in the new ones. So these are the 3000 series for Eco. So this is heat and carbon, as you can see there. Yeah, well, we'll have a radio link, because I didn't to run it in a free call to each alarm. So we just run a permanent power and put a radio link so they can communicate with each other. I'll be pairing that up later on. Let me just put that back off for now. As you can see. So changed the light that was there, and I changed the fuse box as well. So I will just take you through. So we'll have another smoke alarm here, same thing, it's already a link, and one up there, as you can see, further up there. So now what I'm gonna do, I just take you to where I did it both. So having My circuits on this board, yeah, I've been putting a marking on them. I will do that when it comes to second fix it. I've done the testing already. So the original board was here, but what I done previously, that was the board that was here, so it was there. And they extended each of those cable to what the new board is now, but they use these to extend them. So got rid of that, put in a box there. Don't have a flash screwdriver to open that, but I'll put a label on there just to tell them that this is where the connection is. And then I need to bring a end cap for those as well. So that's the 6mm for the cooker. So running a trunking up there to here. And then yeah, I'll have a socket here. Run a trunking there, and then I got that to open this bolt to show you. Hopefully, I shouldn't get any power. So yeah, that's what we've done in here. So I have my cooker, light, upstairs light, upstairs socket, downstairs circuit. That's for the immersion heater, and then that's downstairs light. So I just put a less powerful usage here. Breaker here is not going to be in a lot of use. There's the lighting circuit. It's a 6 amp as well, so that will sort of reduce the heat instead of combining these three together. It's something I did not recommend it to us. So reducing the heat. Actually, what I should have done was to put this 16 here, put this 32, and then I reduce a lot, the heat building up in this section. But for this, it's fine. It's not going to be hot anyway. It's just that if you put these three 32s together, because this cooker is going to be hot when it's in use, and that's going to cause this other breaker to heat up as well. So it's just something that they're recommending us to do now, to think about how we're designing our board as well. Before you put all the higher breakers together and then sort of step your way down to the lower circuit, and yeah, it's trying to encourage us to get out of that mentality and think about the whole system, really, that you're dealing with. Because if you have let's say if you have an electric charger and you have an oven, a cooker circuit, you put those two close by each other, and when the both of them are in use, you're creating a lot of hot spot right there. So it makes sense what they're saying. So yeah, I'm just trying to do my bit to apply. But you know what? I forgot about that bit to put this search device on. So let me just turn that off. That's why I'm going to turn off. So basically, that's what I've done here, really, and just decided to show you. But thanks for watching, and you take care. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next one.